Raghuram Manikandan is a remarkable child prodigy in the world of Carnatic music, whose musical journey began at a young age. While many children gravitated towards football and video games, Raghuram chose the path of Carnatic music. A significant influence in his early musical development came from his parents, Shri Manikandan sir and Srimati Gayatri Manikandan, both of whom are accomplished Carnatic vocalists and music educators. He is a talent first gained wide recognition when he lent his voice to the devotional album Vande Guru Paramparam, produced by the esteemed musical director Sri Kuldeep Empai. However, it was his moving rendition of the song Tamburi Meetidava that marked a pivotal moment in his career, earning him international recognition and bringing millions of listeners to his music. Raghuram actively shares his love for devotional and classical music through his YouTube channel Raghuram Manikandan, where he showcases his talent and connects with listeners worldwide. Despite his demanding musical schedule, Raghuram is also pursuing his undergraduate studies at PES College in Bangalore. He serves as an inspiration to young music enthusiasts and students like me, as well as to all of us at the Shrine of Music. We extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, Raghuram.
सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं परिपालित सरसि जगर्भाण्डं परम पवित्रीकृत पाषाण्डं परिपालित सरसि जगर्भाण्डं परम पवित्रीकृत पाषाण्डं पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखपीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखपीतं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं 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 रामरसं